So if you're working in a collaboration with other people while you're creating pages in Microsoft Power Pages, then what you can also do is add in comments to different pages so that you can let other people know what you want or what you're doing. So to do that, you can go to a particular page and click on the three dot button. And then what you can do is click on new comment. So over here you can see that there's the comment right here. You can even use add to mention them, but you can say something right here. Let's say, for example, add in images to the page to make it interesting right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and type that in. Click on next right here, just like this, and then that particular comment will be added in. So now for the comment, you can go ahead and resolve the thread or delete the thread or edit the comment. If I were to resolve, then what happens is that this will be marked as resolved right here, letting you and others know that the comment has been addressed. You can go around over here onto new again, and let's say, for example, you can go around and type in please change the theme as well. So if I were to go around and hit the next button right here, then you can see that this is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and add in comments to pages inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.